Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the different available methods of enum in Java. So first of all, we're going to create one enum called days, and which will have the days of a week. So we have created one enum called days and which have all the days of a week. So first of all, we have the values method, and we can call the method with the enum type, which is days, and this method will return one array containing all the elements of that enum. So first we're going to create one days type array D, and then we're going to call the days.values method. So the days.values method will return one array which will have all the elements of the enum, and we're going to store that in the array D. And now we're going to use the enhanced for loop and loop through the array and print the elements onto the console. So I'm going to save the program and I'm going to compile and run the program. And you can see the output, all the elements of that enum is printed onto the console. So first of all, we have called the values method, which will return one array containing all the elements of that enum, and then we have used the enhanced for loop and looped through that array and printed the elements onto the console, and this has printed all the elements of that enum onto the console. The next method of the enum is the value of method. This method takes one string as argument, and this will return one enum type constant from that list. And we can call the value of method with days.value of, and I'm going to pass the string sun, and this should return the first element of that list, which is sun. If I can print that onto the console, this should print the string sun, which is nothing but the first element of that enum. So the value of method takes one string and returns one enum type constant from that list. Next we have the ordinal method. This method returns the index position of one element in that list. Like an example, if we write days.sun.ordinal, then this statement should return the index of that element sun in that list. We can see that the sun is at the index 0, so this statement should return the index 0. Similarly, if we write days.weight.ordinal, then this statement should return the index of that element D from that list. We can see that the element weight is located in the index 3, so the statement should return the index 3. So this is the way we can use the different available methods of enum in Java. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see in the next one. Thank you.